Hey everyone, just wanted to pop on here and share a new product line, a new company that I have found. I know you're like, oh, another company. Well, when I find something really great, I have to share it. As you all know, I absolutely love my Arbonne products. They've got amazing products. They've banned over 2,000 ingredients, toxic ingredients, harmful products from their products. So I still absolutely love them. Numi, I've shared that with you before as well. I love that you just swish it and swallow, or you spray it, and it's so simple to get that into your system, and it still gets that glutathione in. It helps. I take it every day. It helps your brain if you get the brain one. So I still love all of those, but this is another company that has some amazing products that will help your body to balance out. And that's what I love about these products, is to help you be healthy. This is not just something I'm trying to sell you because I want to make money. Yeah, that would be nice. But I want to share these products with you because I know that they will help your body to become healthy. And I'll share a little bit about that in just a minute, about how I know that a lot of these products that I'm sharing with you is helping me to stay healthy. So what I want to share first is this company offers balance tests. So here's the balance test. Comes in a little pack like this. I don't have all the pieces in it because this one's already been used, and I don't really want to open up another one because I'd like to let somebody use that one. But as you can see, it's just a finger prick. You just prick your finger, put 2 little drops of blood on it, and mail it off. You keep your number, which is one of the things that I didn't do with the first one. When I did Doug's, I mailed the whole thing back, and I forgot to rip off the little number. Hold on just a minute, and I will show you what it looks like. Sorry about that. This is what it looks like. So if you go in, and my test has already come back, I'll tell you about that in just a minute. But you keep this little thing with the number on it, and it's completely anonymous. You don't have to give all your information. If you want to go in and register it, you put your email, and it'll tell you when your test is ready, but you don't have to. You can just go in, put the number in, and it will give you your results. We had to do a second one for Doug. And those results have not come in yet. So we have that test. We also have an HbA1c test, blood test that you can get, and we have a vitamin D test. So, I mean, a lot of you guys know there's a big hype on vitamin D and how that we are not getting as much as we need. So this test would show you where your vitamin D levels are. I did not do the vitamin D or the HbA1c test, but I did do the balance test, which the balance test helps to see how your omegas are balancing. So you have omega-6 and omega-3s and omega-9s. I didn't even realize there was an omega-9. There's so much to learn when you get into learning about your health. But if those omegas are all out of balance, then you get a lot of inflammation, and inflammation is good in small amounts. Like when you cut yourself, you want that to get inflamed so it will heal. And so a little bit of inflammation is good because your body's trying to heal. But when your body is in chronic inflammation, or you have lots of inflammation in your body, then it causes lots of other health issues. So we need to figure out what the balance is. So a good ratio is 3-to-1. Now, really good is 1-to-1, but 3-to-1 is a good healthy ratio for your omegas to be at. Most people are not at 3-to-1 or 1-to-1 or anything like that. Mine actually was 8.1-to-1, but I have a couple of friends who, one of them was 79-to-1, another one was 50-something-to-1, 56-to-1, I think. Like I said, I don't have Doug's back yet. You get a whole report on it. Even gives you suggestions on how you can fix your omegas, different things you can eat, and things like that. But the biggest thing is you can buy this with omega oil. And this oil is called BalanceOil. And yes, it has fish oil in it, but it also has olive oil, and it is it's put together in a way that it helps to balance these omegas. You can also get it without the fish oil. There's a vegan one. There's also a pill you can take. This does not taste fishy. If you don't burp it up later, none of those awful side effects from other fish oils. It's not anything like that in here. This one is the orange lemon mint flavor. It's pretty good. Our favorite, though, is the Tutti Frutti. Tutti Frutti, and kids can take this as well. There is directions on the back for children and for adults, and telling you how much and how little you're supposed to take. Run it by your doctor, show it to your doctor. I have doctors on my team who are sharing this with their clients, so this is very safe for the family. But definitely, if you've got health issues, run this by your doctor first. And speaking of doctors, I was watching a training, and one of the doctors that is on my team now, thanks to my upline, it's his doctor, and he went in and he's like, "Hey, how come you never told me about this test?" He's like, "Yeah, because most people can't afford to have this test run. That's not one of the tests that they normally run at the doctor's office. They're like $300 or more just to run this test." Well, if you get these two together, it's $115 for both. And then after that, this one is about $45 or $6 plus tax and shipping a month to get this for every month for 4 months. On the 5th month, they're going to send you another balance test for free to see if your omega is balanced out, because this company says that they can balance your omegas in 120 days. So let's talk about, how do your omegas get off? So omega-6s are not as good for you as omega-3s, but you still need them, and they need to be in balance. But our omega-6s are usually what's way up here, and it's because of all the fast food that we eat. It's the vegetable oils. By the way, the healthy oils to cook with are like avocado oil and coconut oil, things like that. Those are good healthy oils. Olive oil is very healthy, but the burn up rate of olive oil is very low. So when you start cooking with olive oil, if you've ever noticed when you cook with olive oil, sometimes it seems to just go away. Well, it does. So olive oil is more for cold things like salads and just anything that doesn't heat up to high temperatures. So cooking with olive oil is not the best choice. Olive oil is great, but not cooking with it. So you can do avocado oil, coconut oil. I know a lot of people have tried the solid coconut oil, and sometimes it tastes coconutty, and some foods don't taste good like that. But you can also buy the liquid coconut oil and use it as well. And there's some healthy brands of those. If you want to know more about that, that's a whole nother thing. I can share some healthy brands about that as well. But that's not here or there with what I'm talking to you about. But the olive oil that they use in this is a very healthy, safe olive oil to use. And it will help to balance out those omegas in 120 days. And I'll let you know how that goes. We've been taking it probably a month now. And Doug actually hadn't been taking it regular, because if any of y'all know Doug doesn't do that. He will take something for a little while and then he won't. But now he realized we did his second test, and sent it off. So we have when we get his results back, we'll know where his omegas are. And he promised me that he would take it every day for the next 4 months, so that we can do that other test at the end and see how it is balanced out. And I'll follow back up, and I'll let you know what our results end up being. So another thing that this company has, which I just did some muscle testing with my chiropractor today, and my body tested that it really would like to use this. This is Xenobiotic. It's a probiotic for your gut. So we not only want to balance your omegas, but you also want to balance your gut. You need to get your gut in good health. We have some other products here. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about them. I'm going to check it out and tell you exactly by not making it up. I'm just kidding. I don't make it up anyway, but I want to tell you exactly a little bit more about it. Let me tell you a little bit more about the BalanceOil. I know more about it, so I was able to tell you without looking, but It has polyphenol omega balanced food. It's a polyphenol omega balanced food supplement. High in olive polyphenols. So if you want to Google polyphenols, they are really good for you. It has omega-3s and it also has a vitamin D3 in it. So it safely adjusts and maintains EPA and DHA levels and the omega-6 to 3 balance. So it's going to help you all the way around. It's going to help your cells and things like that. Let me get back over here to this. Oh, there we go. Share some of these other things with you. Zinzino is something that is really good for you. It actually is a cutting edge innovation for food supplements. It's a scientific breakthrough, and it contains polyphenols, vitamin C, zinc, and polysaccharide from seaweed. And it helps to flush out ineffective cells that accumulate over time. So it's like a deep clean for your body. So that's one of the things that we offer. Let's see, what else do I have over here? We have, the Viva Plus. Viva Plus. All of this stuff is on the website. If you go to ConnieSummy.com, then click on the Zinzino link, and you can see all of these things on there, and you can check it all out yourself. This is an all-natural dietary supplement designed to relieve stress. This is Zinzino Viva Plus, and it helps to relieve stress, improve mood, and increase feelings of well-being. Don't we all need that right now? Yes. It also helps to support healthy functioning of the nervous system and the brain, and contributes to reduction of occasional tiredness and mild fatigue. So that's a really good product to have. And my other one that I have over here, there's lots more, but Extend is the other one, and it is a multi-immune food supplement. Let me tell you what it does. It bridges the nutritional gap and nurtures your immune system. It offers an outstanding source of micro and phytonutrients, including 23 essential vitamins and minerals to support immune function, bone, and joint function. And it's the perfect addition. It's good to get addicted to healthy stuff, right? Perfect addition to the BalanceOil Plus and Xenobiotic. So that's our health protocol. These three are the health protocol. So it would be the Extend, the BalanceOil, and the Xenobiotic. So that one is the protocol that I'm fixing to start. And so I'll follow up with you all later and see how I feel and see if things start balancing out better. But I've been using the oil for about a month. I'm fixing to add the other two as well. Now, here's something fun as well is our Zeal. So Zinzino not only has Zinzino products, but if you go to the website, go to ConnieSummy.com, go to the Zinzino link. We have if you go to the little three things at the top right here, we have a brand shop. So it has lots of different other brands and lots of different other products that you can look at. So if you go to, not that one, hold on, I gotta remember which one it's under. Go back. Hold please. My internet must be slow, or this thing is slow. One of them is. So you're going to go to brand shop, and okay, you're going to go to the one called Zervita products, and that's where the Zeal is. And there's all different flavors of Zeal. And so let's talk about Zeal for just a minute. Zeal is a nutritional beverage that represents Zervita's first formula. Zeal is a synergistic blend of whole food concentrates and it's really great to do whole foods. If you're going to do a diet, eating whole foods is so much better than just getting supplements in. Supplements are great because our ground is depleted and we don't get as much vitamins out of our food, but it's still better to eat it through food. But we also need a supplement on top of that. But it provides vitamins, minerals, along with powerful antioxidants and phytonutrients. There's no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. The sweetener in it, I do believe, is stevia. And yes, it is stevia. It doesn't have, it does have ashwagandha in it. That's really good if you're stressed out. But it has lots of different vitamins in it. It doesn't have the artificial flavors or the sweeteners. So that's a really great thing that if you, some of the, my friends that are in this have, their joke with her at some of her events. And she's like, they said she's going to make you drink the Kool-Aid because this grape tastes just like grape Kool-Aid, but it's healthy. It's not grape Kool-Aid, but it tastes like grape Kool-Aid. The peach is great. Those are the ones I've tried. Doug actually likes, let me see if I can pull up the flavor he likes. If you like a spice kind of flavor or like a chai flavor, it came out of it. Let me go back in and find it. He likes the horchata flavor, and it's kind of like a chai flavor. So that's the one he likes. I think it's better to drink that one in maybe like milk or something. Don't heat it like hot, like boiling hot, because then it's going to kill the stuff that is in the product. But if you drink it in like warm milk, it's going to be like a, I don't know, chai drink. So I wasn't crazy about it, but that's not my favorite flavors. You can try all the different flavors, lots of great things. Check it out, ConnieSummy.com. Go to Zinzino, go to Numi, go to Arbonne, check out everything, whichever one you want. If you want more information, this right here is $115 together. If that doesn't pop up when you are looking at it, let me know and I can send you the link to get that. It is where you're also going to sign up to get it every month after that for that $45 or something like that. And then in the 5th month, they will send you the free test to see how you do. So that is a great thing. We have lots of little bundles that you can get. If you're interested in getting this and sharing it with your doctor and possibly making some money, let me know, because this is just a great product. So that's all I got to share with you. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you later.